Can one product really do it all? You bet it can. So let's talk about the benefits of oil cleansing with Living Libations Best Skin Ever. Look at these pores. Look at them. Hi everybody, welcome to Free Range Diva. Today I'm going to be talking about the benefits of oil cleansing in general, and specifically about my favorite all-time oil cleanser from Living Libations. It's their Best Skin Ever in Sea Buckthorn. So let's get into it. First of all, I want to say I'm not wearing any makeup except for eyebrows and mascara right now, because if you're going to talk about a skincare product, you should be, why is it always my bra strap is showing? You should be showing your skin. So I'm not going to make you look at my skin bare like this through the entire video, but I do wanted to give you a good idea of what it looks like in the intro, and then I'm going to put on a little bit of makeup to spare you this. But don't worry, I will be cutting in with lots of pictures of my bare skin and of me actually using the product. Okay, BRB. I'm back and looking a little bit more put together. So anyway, yeah, okay, straighten up. All right, let's talk about oil cleansing. So this is not my first rodeo with oil cleansing, but this is the first time that I found a product that I've enjoyed using so much that I stuck with it for more than a couple of days. However, before we get to the product, let's just talk about some of the benefits of oil cleansing, okay? Using an oil to cleanse your face helps to break down makeup, sebum, dirt, sunscreen, and it gets it all off while not disturbing the skin's delicate microbiome. No. So today's the only day that I could film, and I saw this morning that there was a wood chipper in front of the house. So I'm trying to do this really fast before they start, and they just started. I think they're done. All right, so it dissolves stubborn blackheads around the nose. It can normalize sebum production, and it can change oilier skin to more normal skin. And because it doesn't disturb the good bacteria in the skin's microbiome, it can keep your skin very healthy or restore it to health if you've been having problems. The bottom line is that it supports skin's health. So although you can use something like plain jojoba oil to oil cleanse your skin, I want to introduce you to a company that has built its reputation and its business on oil cleansing, and that's Living Libations. So yes, its cleansing oils are not only its most popular products, it's the foundation of their line. It's the foundation of their business. Living Libations is owned by a woman. Her name is Nadine Artemis, and they have a channel here on YouTube where you can go and check them out if you want to know more about the company. She has an interesting talk on the purpose of beauty, about what is the purpose of beauty. Is it for helping you to feel better about yourself when you look in the mirror, or is it more about consumerism? It's an interesting discussion with some questions that I think we don't really think about that maybe we should. So I picked their Best Skin Ever oil cleanser in the Sea Buckthorn formulation. And I picked this one because I think it's the most universal. It's good for all skin types. It's also their most popular. Now they do have other formulations, like for example, the Rose formulation is geared towards more mature skin that needs more moisture and more elasticity. The sandalwood is a richer oil for very dry and sensitive skin. The frankincense is a drier oil, so it's lighter and more clarifying, better suited for people with acne. It calms and it soothes and it helps to lighten the dark spots that occur from scars. All of their formulations have sea buckthorn in them, but this particular one has more. And it's pretty much suited for anyone because it has a clarifying and a regenerating effect. This has a lot of fatty acids in it, so it's very nourishing. And sea buckthorn has a lot of topical benefits, including cellular regeneration and improving skin elasticity. So I'm going to show you how I use it at night to cleanse my skin and talk you through the process. So my nighttime routine goes something like this. If I have makeup, I will put about 4 pumps of this in my hand and massage it all around the face, paying close attention to lipstick, eye makeup, and you want to put enough so that it doesn't absorb. It stays on the skin and really starts to emulsify that off. Once you've done that, get a soft cotton cloth. I get these cloths really cheap from Target, but you use a soft cotton cloth and very warm water. That warm water is going to help steam open your pores a little bit, and you apply that to the skin, leave it there for a few seconds, and then start to towel off the makeup. And if I do have on makeup, then I will go in a second time. If I don't, if it's a makeup-free day and I just am removing dirt and sunscreen, that sort of thing, then that's it. That's all I need to do. Once I have taken everything, the oil and everything off, my skin feels amazing. But if I am taking off makeup, I will turn the washcloth over to the clean side, put a couple of pumps on my finger on the washcloth, and then just go into any areas that I know that might collect, like in corners around the nose or wrinkles along the sides of the mouth. Just to really deep clean anything that might have been left behind. At that point, I'm done with the cleansing process. If it's an evening when I'm going to put on a retinol, and I only do that a couple of times, 2 to 3 times a week max, then I will go ahead and use the Michelle retinaldehyde serum. You leave this on for 10 minutes and then you go back with your moisturizer. And that's what I do. I wait 10 minutes and then apply the Best Skin Ever again lightly as a moisturizer. If I don't, once I've toweled everything off and gotten all the dirt and everything off, then I'll just apply a light amount, just like maybe 1 pump of the Best Skin Ever and as my moisturizer. And again, I'm done. I don't even need to use a lip balm. Everything just feels really good. The moisturizer, the oil absorbs in quickly, and everything, my skin just feels fantastic. The next morning, I will get up and in my shower, I will just run a little warm water over my face, and that's it. After I'm out, I will apply, if I feel like it, I might spritz on a hydrosol or a light toner, but most mornings I don't. So I just go straight in with my serums. I use the Argireline from Astorwood Naturals, loving this serum. Apparently my skin really needed it because it started improving in terms of wrinkles the minute I started using this again. So I'll apply this, and then I'll apply a little bit of the Bakuchiol serum from Herbivore Botanicals. Once those two are almost absorbed, then I go in with my moisturizer, which actually isn't a moisturizer, it's my sunscreen. And this is it. And I'm done. And that's what I did today. My skin feels great, looks moisturized. And I was forced to pare down my routine because of a systemic allergic reaction I was having. So I had to just start everything over from scratch. And then I've been gradually adding products back in, but this is as far as I've got. I haven't added a moisturizer back in yet because I don't need it. And if I spritz on a toner, it would either be a hydrating one from Biossance or a light exfoliating toner, like the one that I have from Face and Earth. So I have been enjoying using this so much that in the evening I will make the extra effort to use a washcloth that's got filtered water in it and then take it down to the microwave to heat it up that way, because I feel like a real jerk we're in a drought, and so running water just to get hot water is just wasteful, and it's not something that makes me feel very good about myself. So I don't mind, I enjoy this so much that I don't mind making the extra effort to be a little extra with it. When I do this at night and then wake up in the morning, my skin feels like I wake up with my skin feeling soft, smooth, and moisturized. Pores are gone. I have had stubborn blackheads on my nose, and I don't have to do anything else. I just wake up in the morning, and it's not the blackheads are obviously gone and the pores have been cleaned out. So they've returned to their more normal size, which is, invisible. You can't see them. Even in my big magnifying mirror, I cannot see pores around my nose. My face is so moisturized and so normal that I challenge you I would hold this skin up to someone that used 20 products easily. And so, can one product do it all? Yes. This and the oil cleansing method. Cleanser, exfoliator, moisturizer, serum even. It just does it all, leaving your skin absolutely beautiful and, dare I say, more youthful? I just did. So let me know your thoughts on oil cleansing in the comments below. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want to see more and come back to see me. And if you want to know more about the amazing benefits of sweet buckthorn oil, check out this video right here. I thank you for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Bye.